the right level of talent is essential for the success of any company. And most companies are struggling to find the time to train and improve.
A structured way of working will free up the time you need to leave firefighting mode and drive continuous improvement towards operational excellence.
War for talents became also very intense in programming that is now becoming a bottleneck for production. More references to produce means a lot more programs to make every day. There's no time anymore to tweak programs to perfection, and some programmers do not even have time anymore to keep up with the latest technologies.
Seco Manufacturing Transformation gives you the ability to build an improvement program based on your needs, from comprehensive efficiency evaluations and step training courses to digital solutions and CAM programming expertise.